Okay, so I just finished a few more students, and we had a busy afternoon. So now I'm going to race some more just for fun. But I'm going to let you listen to an excerpt of an article which I did with one of my students today. All right, so I'm going to play that and I'm going to play the game while we listen to it. It's only like 2 minutes long. So here goes.
Survey finds world's most welcoming language. How friendly is English? How elegant is Japanese? And how practical is German? These are some of the questions that people around the world were asked in a survey by the language learning app Preply. More than 3,600 people from France, Germany, Japan, Spain, the UK, and the US were asked for their opinions about 10 different languages. How complex were they? How much did they feel warm and friendly? And people decided that the world's most welcoming, friendly language is Portuguese. That's just based on the way it sounds to the survey participants. 34% of people chose Portuguese as the most warm and friendly language. However, it didn't win by much, because 33% of people said the same about Spanish. Preply said these languages have a bright, rhythmic cadence, and not too many sharp consonants, which may be why they sound welcoming. Of course, it doesn't mean that people who speak these languages are any more, or less, welcoming and friendly than anybody else. The language that people consider to be the most elegant is French. More than half of people chose this as the most elegant language, while many others chose Italian. Preply said these languages both sound smooth. Asian languages were considered to be the most complex. Mandarin was chosen as the most complex language, followed by Japanese and Korean. Participants also said they think Arabic is a complex language. For many people, the reason for this may be that these languages use different characters from European alphabets. And almost a quarter of participants said they might not want to learn a language that they see as complex. Unsurprisingly, the largest group of people said that English is the most practical language. It's used by many people around the world, making it very practical for global communication.
All right, so what are your thoughts? What would you say is the most practical or elegant language? What would you say? Put your comments below and let me know. Oh, I don't have a key for this vehicle. Sorry, guys. Can't play it. Just remembered. Still got to unlock it. So we'll go get a multi instead. Alrighty then. So, yeah, interesting article on different languages. Which one is the most warming, welcoming language? Are we biased and do we say English? Well, English definitely is the most practical as it is used globally. So yes, for that. But warmly welcoming? Well, maybe. It's something you guys can chat about and leave it in the comments and let me know what you think. So that was an English lesson, whoa, that I had with a student of mine from China. But she's living in Malaysia at the moment. Just she's doing her PhD there. And then she'll be returning to China. Well, she does go to China each year, visit her family and so on. Yeah, anyway, so that was... oh no, what a wreck. Woohoo, we just crashed. I crashed. Definitely don't want to do that with my real Dodge. That wouldn't be cool. Okay, so can we make up... stop that. Don't do that. Nasty guys trying to knock me off the track. Really, it's a... what do you call that? A hooligan. Road rage. Whoa. Almost, I'm just skidding on the wall, yeah. Not so great. Yeah, that's bad. 6 out of 8. Not so good. Okay. Oh, let's see. Can we do another one? Another multiplayer match, race, should I say. And let's see how we do. Just want to see. I got to get here to get to that car, so I have to start performing a little better. Just a little better. Okay, so I'm going to do two things. Racing without touch drive. And now I'll race one with touch drive. Just easy with it. Okay, so this is without. This is all the races we've done today. Hey, we've got some funny names here on the screen. Cars, the guys who are driving themselves. Right, let's see. Oh. Start. Oh, okay. See that one? The wall, the pole in the middle of the pillar. There we go. Now, again. Still getting to know this track. This track is fairly new to me, so dodging. Oh, that's a second crash. Well, you can enjoy the crashing. If nothing else. No, that was. Drive on. Around the corner we go. It's just a few more turns. Okay, so yeah, my skills with the non-touch drivey thing is a little bit not so good, eh? Yeah, not so great, mate. Let's see, messages. Oh, messages. Okay, that's fine. Boring. Right, next. Okay, so now we're gonna do it with, yeah, you guessed it, touch drive on. Here goes. So, Giant Killer. Oof, what a name. Driver, unique. Okay, here goes. Touch drive, engaged, and we're on. Now you see it's pretty easy. So straightforward. Probably gonna come in the top 3. You can still mess up using touch drive. I mean, it's still, you can still make mistakes. So yeah, it's not always as easy as we make it out to be, but it's definitely easier than not having touch drive. I mean, that's for sure. And that's a silly airborne jump, that one, and I should have done that one and didn't, but anyway, it's fine. Sometimes it's good to go along the ground, not wreck in a multiplayer, and hopefully the chap in front messes up and then you overtake him and win. So yeah, there is that always. There he goes. You just see him there in the picture in front of me. Alright, and there we are for the finish, and we're in the top 3, second. Whoop-de-doo. Easy peasy, right? Okay, so there we go. Now, one more time, this time without touch drive. Can we improve our skill without it? Okay, so first of all, we let the race begin. Okay, we are 3 hurricanes in this race. 1 elemento. Okay. Right, 3, 2, 1, and go. Touch drive off. There we go. So now touch drive is off. You can see some of most of the guys use touch drive. That's why they Oh no, come on. I was driving so sweetly. Yeah. And again, okay, this is no good. Should just, what do they say? Rage quit. Should we rage quit? No, we won't do that. Come on, we need to practice, eh? Need to practice. Come on, here's a chappie here. Can we take him? Oh, yes. Oh, no, we can't. He's in the head of us. No, we're with him. Okay, we're going to take the flyer. Here we go. Not too bad. Hey, this guy's right behind me. Let's see what happens, shall we? Oh, no, please. No, don't do that. Okay, now we're going to come here. There should be a jump. There it is. And risk it for the biscuit. And we're done it. Woo, not too shabby. Actually, this is quite a good run in that we're not lost. Okay. Couldn't pink it, unfortunately, but bluing it. I'm catching this chap. I'm catching him. I'm catching him. I'm overtaking him. And where did we come? Third. Top 3. Not too bad. Okay. So not second like in the other race, but I mean, I wrecked twice, guys. I wrecked twice and made it. So that's pretty decent, I'd say. Well, that's, I think, all for now, guys. We'll do another one later. So hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Ciao.